Hi, I'm Shani Coleman, and I'm the co-owner and co-founder of a production company called XCIV based in Cape Town. We specialize in small-scale TV adverts and visual content for clients all around the world, but our favorite place to shoot in and create for is at home in South Africa. While we might be a small team of 5, we create a lot of visual content, and recently we became overwhelmed by the amount of footage we needed to access within our own library. With it stored on individual hard drives, it became almost impossible to revisit scenes and locations that were shot long ago. And when you're swapping not only between times, but also different drives that each set of footage is on, it can become incredibly costly, and the benefits of having a large stock of unique visual content are overweighed by the fact that you don't actually have access to it. In addition to having shot on all 7 continents, we've also been incredibly lucky to explore every corner of South Africa, and some of the footage we have is unique and irreplaceable. This makes it all the more important for us to be able to securely store and easily back up our image library. At the end of one of our last projects, one that required us to revisit everything we've shot as creators, we looked out at the desk in front of us and the mountain of hard drives, each of a different make and function, and realized it was time to sort ourselves out. So we reached out to Synology, and thankfully they had the perfect solution for us. They suggested we use the DS1621 XS Plus if we ever were to run out of storage. This particular Synology NAS comes with the ability to install 2 expansion units, each with 5 bays, bringing our total potential storage and hard drive capacity up to 16. Back in the day, I used to look at a specific portable or desktop drive and wonder, have I backed that up? And if so, where? But now, with all of our footage on one unit, I know that each night it cycles through and backs up to a physical proxy as well as our cloud service. That means that whenever we add new footage to the drive, I don't have to think about how I'm specifically backing up that project or location. With our Synology NAS fully set up, we've been able to connect 3 of our editors through 10 gigabit Ethernet, all simultaneously editing off our Synology NAS. That means that we've been able to edit at speeds faster than our traditional desktop drives, and also seamlessly hand off projects from one creator to another within the office. All this, paired with the Synology router we got at the same time, means that some editors can even edit photo and video files over the Wi-Fi when they're in the office. That means that we can have way more than 3 people accessing our entire library of footage, each individually working on projects. Because of this connection, it also means that our files are accessible to us anywhere. When we're on set or when we're wanting to give client approvals or access to our stock library, we need only log into our Synology NAS and we instantly have access to all of these files anywhere in the world. One of my favorite benefits within this has been the ability to link specific files or folders. That means if we are licensing footage to clients, they can instantly access that raw footage without us having to use a third-party file transfer service. Synology has not only changed how we think about storing our files, but also how we use them. Footage past, present, and future is now an instantly accessible resource, no longer buried in a mountain of hard drives.